చేసి కూడు తమదగు తప్పును కప్పి పుచ్చువారు కలుషుమతులు ఒప్పుకొనిడి వారు గొప్ప మహనీయులు భరత వంశ తిలక భవ్య చరిత. The person who commit mistake and accept that it is his mistake or her mistake, they are the big people. But most of the people, what is, they cover their mistake and keep telling. That is the meaning of that. Their people never tell lies. So if they do, yes, I have committed mistake. Sorry, next time I won't repeat. They say, who is it? The people who is Goppa Mahaniyulu. That means the great people, they accept their mistake. Are you following? Great people accept their mistake. When teacher asks, where is your homework? I kept it home. They won't do, but they say all lies. So, yes, I haven't done. Just tomorrow I'll do it, ma'am. By mistake I couldn't do. Yesterday we went somewhere or I have slept. Something. Frankly, you have to speak. But we tell all bullshit answers and reasonable reasons and cock and bull stories and try to escape from the mistake. That is very bad. SRS. And in this, in the 7th class, there is the poem, in the movie also it has come. Palapugala Jeetagada is there, ma? In which class? 7th class. 6th class.